Good morning, friends. We are going to see control structures in Java. Control structures. It is nothing but a block of programming that analyzes variables and chooses a direction in which to go based on given parameters. Hence, it is the basic decision making process in computing. We are having branching and looping statements in Java. Under branching, we are having give statement, switch statement, conditional operator. And in looping, we are having for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Branching statements. First, we are going to see the if statement. It tells the computer to take one of two alternative courses of action. The categories are simple if statement, if then else statement, nested if statement, and switch statement. First, we are going to see the simple if statement. It is the conditional statement. If it is proved as true, it performs a function or displays some information. The syntax is if followed by expression, and within the braces we are having the executable statements, and then finally we are having the statement X. The example is, first we are going to import java.io.star. The name of the program is, or the name of the class is sample. It is followed by the main function such as public static void main string args. Then we are having one variable named as age, which is of the data type integer, and it takes the value as 24. And we are checking one condition. If the variable gets some value, that value is greater than 18 means we are going to display that particular person is eligible for voting. Now we get the output as eligible for vote because the age has the value as 24. This 24 is greater than 18. So our condition is satisfied. So we are displaying the message as eligible for vote. Next, if then else statement. It is a programming language statement that compares two or more sets of data and tests the result. The syntax is the keyword if, which is followed by one expression, that is nothing but our test condition, and we are having true sections. One is true section and another one is false section. The part below, the part above else is true section, that is true section statements, and the part below else, it is considered as false statement. And finally we are having statement X. The example for this corresponding corresponding syntax is, first we are having the import statements, then the name of the class as sample if else, which is followed by public static void main string args. Nothing but main function. And here we are having two variables n1 and n2, which is of the data type integer. n1 takes the value as 10 and n2 takes the value as 20. We are checking one condition using if else. The condition is if n1 is greater than n2, that is number 1 is greater than number 2, we are going to display the true section, or otherwise we are going to display the false section, that is which is under else part. So here we are having n1 is 10 and n2 is 20. So 10 is greater than 20. It is false. So we are skipping the n1 is greater section, that is true section, true statements, and we are going to the part that is false under else statement. So we are displaying n2 is greater. So we are getting the output as n2 is greater. Next, we are going to see the switch statement. The switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. The syntax is switch, it has a switch keyword, and under that which is followed by a variable or otherwise expression. Then we are having many cases, case 1, case 2, case 3 and default. Under case 1 we are having executable statements and break statement. Under case 2 we are having another executable statements and break statement. And under case 3 we are having another executable statements and break statement. And finally we are having default statements. Default statement is not followed by break statement. The cases alone have the break statement. The example is, the name of the program is sample switch. We are importing java.io.star followed by main function. Here we are using one variable n, which is of the data type integer, and it assigns a value as 1. Then we are going to the cases, case 1, case 2, case 3 and default. Here we are checking the condition. N takes a value as 1. So that 1 is matched with the first case because the first case has the value as 1. So we are skipping the remaining case 2, case 3 and default cases. If the value n is equal to 2 means, if the value n is assigned with 2 means, Tuesday is displayed. If the value n gets the value as 3 means, Wednesday is displayed. If the variable n takes a value as 4 means, others will be displayed. Branching statements. Here we are having for, while and do while. First we are going to see the for loop. It is a control flow statement for specifying iteration which allows code to be executed repeatedly. The syntax is for initialization, test expression, incrementation or decrementation, which is followed by the executable statements, and finally it is followed by statement X. The example is, we are having import statements and the name of the program is sample for followed by main function, and we are having one variable which is of the data type integer. In for we are having 3 sections. I is equal to 1 is nothing but our initialization. I is less than or equal to 5 is nothing but our test expression, and I plus plus. Here we are using incrementation, not decrementation. And the body of the loop has system.out.println and Abhinaya as the message. So the loop will be executed for 5 times because we are testing the condition is I less than or equal to 5. So the loop starts with 1 and ends with 5. Totally it will display the name Abhinaya as 5 times with incrementation I plus plus. Next one, while loop. The while loop is nothing but control flow statement. It allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. Syntax: initialization, while followed by expression, and within the bracket we are having statements, that is executable statements, and either incrementation or decrementation, and finally it is followed by statement X. Example, we are having input statements. The name of the class is sample while followed by main function, and here we are having one variable. The variable name is named as I, which is of the data type integer, and it assigns the value as 1. I is equal to 1 is nothing but our initialization, and then while I less than or equal to 5. This is our test condition, and then our executable statement is system.out.println star. Slash n is nothing but it produce new line. And then here we are using incrementation, that is I plus plus. So the star is going to be displayed for 5 times because we are initializing the value as I is equal to 1 and we are testing the condition as I less than or equal to 5. So the loop starts at 1 and ends at 5. So totally we are having the count as 5. So 5 times the star will be displayed. Next one, do while loop. It is nothing but a control flow statement that executes a block of code at least once and then repeatedly executes the block. The syntax is first we are having initialization, then the do keyword followed by executable statements, incrementation, and then finally we are having the while keyword and followed by the test expression. Here the text expression comes at the bottom of the loop, bottom of the syntax, and finally followed by statement X. Here is the example program. We are importing the java.io.star. The name of the class is sample do while followed by main function. Here we are using the variable named as I, which is of the data type integer, and it takes the values, that is it assigns the value as 1. Next one, do keyword, and the executable statements here is system.out.println /n plus I. That is, we are going to display the loop variable. Then we are having I plus plus. Next, finally we are checking the condition as I less than or equal to 5. Here also the loop executes for 5 times. So it assigns the value as 1 at beginning and 5 is the end. So for the first loop it displays the value as 1. For the second loop it displays the value as 2. For the third, 4, 5 it displays the value as 3, 4, 5 respectively. Thank you.